Welcome to AI for Business, your weekly source for practical AI news and AI tools. Today we're diving into several important stories from the AI world, including OpenAI's surprising move into social media, DeepSeek's commitment to open-source technology, Apple's clever approach to AI training, and an interesting experiment testing how well AI models perform. Then, we'll share an AI tool that creates voice assistants to handle all your phone calls, and share a prompt tip for writing content without overused words. According to reports, OpenAI is exploring the social media space with a prototype platform that builds on ChatGPT's large user base. The platform would reportedly feature a social feed highlighting ChatGPT's image generation capabilities, potentially creating a direct competitor to established networks like X and Meta. Sources speaking to The Verge revealed that while the project remains in early stages, CEO Sam Altman has been quietly gathering feedback from outside parties about its potential. It's still unclear whether this would launch as a standalone app or be integrated directly into ChatGPT, which recently became the most downloaded app worldwide. Building its own social platform offers a clear strategic advantage for OpenAI, as it would give the company a steady flow of real-time content from users, something X and Meta already use to train their AI models. Access to this kind of data is becoming more important as AI companies rush to improve their systems, and more scarce as many content creators filing suit against AI companies for using their content. As someone from another AI lab noted, Elon Musk's Grok integration with X has made everyone jealous, especially how people create viral tweets by getting it to say something stupid. While OpenAI is working on many projects, this possible social network shows a key move that could change both the AI and social media worlds if it goes ahead. Moving on to another notable development in the AI world, Chinese AI lab DeepSeek announced that they plan to open source their inference engine. During their recent open source week, they released 5 high-performance AI tools as open source libraries. This is a big step that shows their growing commitment to making their technology widely available, working closely with existing open source projects and tools to make it happen. DeepSeek has been honest about the challenges, including differences in code from standard frameworks, high infrastructure demands, and limited resources for managing a large public project. This move is part of their wider push to share more with the AI community and to make training large language models more scalable and easier to use. Turning our attention to Apple, the company has found a clever way to train AI models without collecting user data. This could change how the company balances powerful AI features with their stance on privacy. Apple has been using synthetic data to train its models, which helps protect privacy but doesn't always match real-world situations. That's part of why their Apple Intelligence sometimes struggle to understand how people actually talk. Apple compares synthetic data to emails and messages from users that have opted into their device analytics program. The real data never leaves the device. Instead, the system just identifies which synthetic samples are most similar to actual user data. It's a middle path that can allow Apple to improve features like notification summaries and text generation, while keeping up with competitors who often have fewer privacy restrictions in their AI training. Researchers at UC San Diego's How AI Lab recently gave top AI models a unique challenge by having them play the role of Phoenix Wright in the Ace Attorney video game. In the game, the AIs had to investigate crime scenes, find contradictions in witness statements, and present the right evidence at the right time. For this, the AI systems need to bring together several skills. They must understand visual details, follow the story across different parts of the game, and make smart decisions based on limited information. When the results came in, OpenAI's O1 model and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro showed the strongest performance. They managed to correctly identify 26 and 20 pieces of evidence respectively, making it to level 4 of the game. However, even the top-performing models were not able to fully solve the case. The other models had a much harder time, with most failing to present even 10 correct pieces of evidence. Games like Ace Attorney offer a controlled way to test AI performance. Today's AI tool to try is SynthFlow, which lets you build voice assistants that can make calls, hold conversations, and complete tasks without human help. It supports multiple languages, helping businesses connect with global customers more easily. The platform also runs 24/7 and is built to scale, handling over 10 million calls each month in more than 30 countries. For businesses looking to grow their customer service or sales, SynthFlow offers a reliable solution that won't hit limits as demand increases. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is to tell AI what to avoid. If you don't point out which words or phrases to steer clear of, AI often falls back on generic language that can sound unnatural. Instead of only saying what you want, be clear about what you don't want as well. For example, you could say, write an ad for our new service, but avoid words like innovative, state-of-the-art, or disruptive. Skipping these overused words helps make your content feel more genuine and original. This is especially helpful in marketing, where fresh language makes your message stand out. That brings us to the end of today's episode of AI for Business. If this episode helped you stay informed about what's happening in the AI world, please consider subscribing to our podcast. New episodes drop regularly, and subscribing means you'll never miss updates on the fast-changing AI landscape. Please also leave a review wherever you get your podcasts. And if you know someone interested in AI, please share this episode with them. Until tomorrow, keep exploring AI in your life.